Hi, this is Adityan from Mockat, and today we are sharing the news for 22nd January, continuing the series to help you prepare for WAT in person interview to get you into IIMs and top B schools. The actual news articles from which we have taken these key points are listed out at our daily news section in our website. The link for our website is given below. To get more information about the interview process, follow our Telegram channel where you can get access to WAT in person interview content from 99.9 plus percentailers. The link to the Telegram group is in the description. Today's 5 news headlines are: a budget solution to India's skilled workforce challenge, unleash the gig contingent, India faces uphill battle in lithium mining and exploration, Sony calls off merger of its India unit with Zee Entertainment, India's growing middle class poised to transform travel landscape, Ram Temple in Ayodhya, all you need to know about construction, history and significance. The first news for the day is a budget solution to India's skilled workforce challenge. The gig economy is multiplying as more people take temporary flexible jobs through digital platforms. In India, there are currently around 7 million gig workers, and this number is expected to rise to 25 million by 2030. The gig economy encompasses a diverse range of jobs such as delivery personnel, ride-hailing drivers, home service providers, and freelance professionals, providing workers with flexibility and independence while offering on-demand services to customers. To overcome challenges and seize opportunities, government need to provide targeted investments that promote the growth of the gig workforce while safeguarding their interests. It's crucial to provide access to benefits like health insurance, retirement savings, and paid leave through innovative models like portable benefits. The next news for the day is India faces uphill battle in lithium mining and exploration. India is striving to establish reliable lithium supply to bolster its growing electric vehicle industry with its recent 200 crore investment in lithium exploration in Argentina by the Ministry of Mines. Currently, India imports 100% of its lithium, with a significant portion sourced from China and Hong Kong. China currently dominates 68% of the lithium processing and refining industry. Government incentives and amendments to mining regulations aim to improve the ease of doing business and foster a business-friendly ecosystem, but challenges persist due to the lengthy gestation period and technology concentration in China. The government's tools, including the production-linked incentive, may play a pivotal role in incentivizing investments and fostering growth in the critical mineral sector. Sony calls off merger of its India unit with Zee Entertainment. After over 2 years of discussions, Sony's India unit has formally scrapped the proposed merger with Zee Entertainment Enterprises Limited. Sony cited unmet conditions as the reason for pulling out, primarily referring to a disagreement regarding leadership of the merged entity. This was compounded by an ongoing investigation into Zee's CEO, Punit Goenka, by India's capital markets regulator. The proposed merger aimed to establish a $10 billion media powerhouse capable of competing with global streaming giants like Netflix and Amazon. Its collapse marks a missed opportunity for consolidation in the Indian media landscape. Final 30-day grace period, expiring over the weekend, failed to yield any agreement between the two companies, solidifying the deal's termination. The failed merger leaves Zee facing an uncertain future, particularly with regards to leadership and its ability to compete in the rapidly evolving media landscape. India's growing middle class poised to transform travel landscape. India is expected to become the fourth largest global spender on travel by 2030, and by then the middle class, with increased purchasing power, will make 47% of its population. The most popular outbound destination for Indian tourists has been UAE. India has been one of the top 5 markets for Ras Al Khaimah, one of the 7 Emirates of UAE, with over 18% year-on-year growth in visitor numbers recorded in 2023. Alok Bajpai, CEO of Ixigo, says changes in visa policies with Malaysia, Thailand, Sri Lanka and Kenya waiving visa requirements for Indians fueled international travel growth towards the end of 2023. The development of airport infrastructure in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, increased connectivity and affordable air travel options have contributed to the growth of air travel and first-time flyers in metros as well as non-metro cities. The final news for today is Ram Temple in Ayodhya. All you need to know about construction, history and significance. Larsen & Toubro is involved in the construction of the Ram Temple in Ayodhya. The different phases of temple construction, starting with the foundation stone laying ceremony in 2020 and leading to the planned opening for devotees on Jan 23, 2024. An estimated cost of Rs 1800 crore will be incurred to build the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi temple in Ayodhya. The temple, built in an overall area spanning 71 acres, is divided into 6 parts, including the Sanctum Sanctorum and 5 pavilions. The architectural style and key features of the Ram Mandir includes its traditional design elements and incorporation of modern technology. The Ram Mandir in Ayodhya will be opened on January 22 after the Pran Pratishta ceremony. Devotees are allowed inside the temple from Jan 23. So these are the 5 news for today. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. Do like the video if you found it helpful. Thank you and good luck.